Welcome to the Lux AI Tools channel. ChatGPT 5 is finally here, and it's bringing some seriously impressive new features. OpenAI says this is their smartest, fastest, and most useful model yet. Sounds exciting, right? Well, today we're going to find out together. I'm going to show you exactly how you can start using GPT-5 right now for free, and you'll see everything live on my screen. By the end of this video, you'll know if these new upgrades are truly worth your time. So, let's get started. Just open your browser, type in chatgpt.com, sign into your account, and that's it. GPT-5 is now your default model. If you're on the free plan, you can use GPT-5 until you hit your daily limit of around 30 messages. After that, it automatically switches to GPT-5 Mini, so you can keep going without any interruptions. And on mobile? Just install or update to the latest ChatGPT app, open a new chat, and GPT-5 is already the default. No digging through settings, no extra clicks, super simple. So, what's new in GPT-5? In the past, you had to pick between different models, general, reasoning, mini, and guess which one was best for your task. Now, everything is unified. GPT-5 automatically adjusts how deeply it thinks depending on your question. If it's a quick request, it responds instantly. If it's more complex, it switches into deeper reasoning mode. You don't have to choose. It does it for you. Behind the scenes, GPT-5 still uses two separate models, but it picks the right one for your intent without asking. If you're a paid user, you can still choose Thinking Mode, Extended Reasoning for more in-depth answers. OpenAI claims GPT-5 outperforms both the O3 reasoning model and GPT 4.5 in reasoning and creativity. Honestly, I thought those were already incredibly strong, so that's a bold statement. Plus, GPT-5 is now more reliable, with fewer hallucinations. Sounds great, but let's put it to the test. I'm asking GPT-5 to create a snake game for the Lux AI Tools channel, where each segment of the snake is an AI robot icon. Every time it eats, it gets longer and changes colors based on my brand palette. Here's the prompt I used. Create a snake game for my channel, Lux AI Tools. Instead of the traditional snake, use AI robot icons for each segment. When the snake eats, it grows longer and changes colors based on my Lux AI Tools brand palette. Include keyboard controls for up, down, left, and right. And here's what I got. GPT-5 generated the full HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In the top right corner, I hit run, and there it is, a snake game with AI robot icons moving smoothly across the screen. Every time it eats, the snake grows and shifts into bright, on-brand colors. It even included keyboard instructions below, so I can just start playing with the arrow keys. Smooth gameplay, professional look, no tweaks needed. But GPT-5 isn't the only exciting update today. ChatGPT just got a bunch of super useful new features. Gmail and Google Calendar integration. Head over to Profile, Settings, Connectors, and you'll see options for Gmail and Google Calendar. Now you can ask ChatGPT to filter out all your important emails from today, find one free evening in the next 7 days for a family movie night, or even draft email replies for you. Customize ChatGPT's look and personality. Change the chat background color, tweak its personality settings, and make it feel like your own personal assistant. New voice mode, Advanced, rated to sound more natural and smooth than ever. To try it, just tap the microphone icon in the chat and start talking. Study mode, step-by-step learning mode that helps you master anything, from coding to cooking, with detailed instructions and interactive guidance. Let's try out voice mode. Hey, ChatGPT, recommend a fun weekend activity in New York City. It instantly gave me a bunch of great ideas, from strolling through Central Park, visiting MoMA, to exploring Chelsea Market. It even suggested more local-style activities, like joining a Chinatown street food tour or catching a live music show in Brooklyn. Sounds amazing. And that's when I realized the new voice mode isn't just smoother to talk to. It also delivers specific, useful, and totally relatable ideas for everyday life. Next up is study mode. When you turn it on, just select Study and Learn and type in what you want to learn. For example, how to brew the perfect cup of coffee. GPT-5 will instantly guide you through step-by-step, from choosing the right beans, grinding to the perfect size, heating your water, to pouring techniques for that perfect flavor. If you're new to it, it'll ask follow-up questions so it can tailor the steps to your tools and preferences. Bottom line, GPT-5 isn't just faster and smarter, it also comes with a whole set of new tools to help you work and learn more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. In upcoming videos, I'll be sharing more powerful tips on how to use AI tools to make your life and work easier. And be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to reply. See you in the next one. Stay creative, and here's to your success. Lux AI Tools, helping you grow your YouTube channel smarter, faster, and more profitably with AI.